What?
I like that red truck.
You like that red truck?
I like this one.
I really like that truck.
I like that truck.
Can you tell everybody you're reading your truck book tonight?
I like the yellow truck.
You like the yellow truck?
Boom. No, get the man.
That boy always so grumpy. Maybe they should switch his food. Yeah, humans.
No, that's that truck.
Wow.
I like that
That's Easton, where's the tractors?
I like that truck.
Wait, there's where's the tractors?
I like that tractor.
Where's the tractor?
I like that truck.
Yeah. That's Easton, that's a real nice truck book.
I
There.
like that
I
truck.
know.
I like that truck.
That's a nice truck.
I like that tractor.
You about ready to go night-night?
I like that tractor.
You just want, oh, you got a tractor?
Yeah.
Good.
All right, kid. Here's the skinny.
Hey,
I like that truck.
what color is that tractor?
Been working on a cure
I
for
like
dog
truck.
allergies.
Is it a yellow tractor?
No one in the world were allergic to dogs.
I like that truck.
That's very nice.
It's a big truck.
Big truck, I know. Tell everybody, say good night. Say good night. You see about good night-night?
No.
No.
It's a big truck.
I know, it's all about big trucks.
I get that truck.
Oh, man.
I
Stop it. Say good night, Mommy, Daddy, Amber, Uncle Matt, Aunt Michelle,
Amber.
Papa, Great Papa, Aunt Mimi. They love you. Love all of you.
Look at this truck.